35% film on this 2020 high-end launcher. Now, a lot of our courses we teach how to handcuff. A lot of dealerships don't like putting a knife right to the glass, especially when it comes to the front windshield, as it is typically a softer glass. But we recommend not to use the plotter when you're start learning out, because we're gonna get a lot of creases. So we have this excess film that I want to cut off. So you do crease it, you do cause any damage to the film, we can shift it or cut it off. So one method we're gonna show you here is what's called the button technique. So this button technique, I'm gonna have this in between the glass and the film, then my knife is gonna rest right across that button, so this blade never actually touches the glass. So if you come in a little bit closer here, I already have my light in here and place that button underneath the glass, and I'm gonna cut with that blade coming across here. So if you look, I'm getting that nice cut right across that film without actually ever touching the glass. So I can go through my whole pattern, driving my knife as hard as I can right into that button without damaging the glass, and have a nice clean cut onto the film. So another place that we like to use this button technique is on these quarter windows here, because they do get scratched up a bit. So like we talked about on the front windshield, we have the button, have our blade, this will come right in between here. So this button's gonna be in between the glass and the film, so don't cause any scratches. So I'm gonna bring my film up right around that corner, place my knife inside that hole, and I'm gonna drive that right across until I make my pattern. You see here, perfectly clean cut without actually scratching the glass here. So now I get the other side up the top. And now we have my quarter window ready to go and to install. It's caught in the crossfire. It's caught in the